Hello and welcome to the Eden Valley. We're in the stunning village of Great Salkeld today, looking at this behind us. Now this has been fully renovated inside and a massive extension put on as well, giving us 3 great big bedrooms, family bathroom, living room, massive dining kitchen, utility. It's absolutely beautiful. One of the best villages around. We've got an award-winning pub only about 100 yards away there. The church just further on. It's 2 or 3 miles outside Penrith. We've got Lazenby, which is a couple of miles that way. So a beautiful, beautiful location. Lovely big play park in the centre as well. As you can see at the house though, we've got tons of hard standing for parking. We've got a nice garden at the back as well. So I'll flip this round, we'll show you the street scene and then we'll get you inside. So this is our street scene. That takes us up into Lazenby. That takes us down into the heart of the village. You can just see the church there. The pub is right there, only about 100 yards from here, sorry. And this is what we've come to see. So, semi-detached, but loads of work gone into this. As you can see, we've got bags of hard standing to the front, plenty of parking. And these guys have actually added this part on, so that's all brand new. But basically what they've done, they've taken an old shell and put a brand new house inside it. As you'll see, everything is new. New windows, floors, doors, heating, electrics, the lot. So that's the front. We'll just have a quick wander around the back. Some lovely railings here. And they've built up this gorgeous wall. And then to the back, we've got this really decent sized rear garden. Okay, so nice brand new door. And we're in to the entrance hallway. So first thing we come to is the downstairs loo. So nice clean white lines there, very nice. We'll come around this way and we're into the utility, which is really decent size. We've got the boiler and all the gubbins in there, and here we've got the sink and the spaces for the washer and the dryer. So really, really good sized utility. Then through we go and we're coming to the kitchen diner, which again is massive. All brand new kitchen. I really like the colour. It's like an olive type colour. So lots of storage, bags of room for tables and chairs as well, and a really nice wooden floor there. Through here we've got the living room, and we've got the double doors there that take us out to the back garden. So we'll take you upstairs. It's quite an extension these guys have put on, and they've made such a good job of it. I was in this house before it was done, and it's like an absolute different place. It's incredible. So let's have a look. We've got the Pennines right in front of us there. Nice big landing, massive loft access hatch. And then we have the first bedroom, which is a nice big double room. And this one has got an ensuite shower room in it. And next room, again, great sized double bedroom. Bedroom 3, another big double bedroom. And then the final room we have is the family bathroom. So really nicely kitted out. Lovely big tiles, it's beautiful. Really, really well put together. Right, so there we are. If you want to come and see this lovely 3-bedroom house in Great Salkeld, then please give the Penrith Office a call, and we are on 01768 88 1111.